Alright guys, so we pulled up to the meet right now, man. So let me show y'all some of these cars. You dig? Yeah, got a nice thing right here. Shelby GT 500. Oh yeah. These suckers is nice, man. They lie. Yeah, this sucker.
Alright, y'all done?
It's cold blooded. You definitely put some work into these. Ah, that's dope. Look at that. Gotta check it out, man. So, we're trying to do less talking and more showing, you dig? See, this is so many details, sis, bro. All you gotta do is show. These hot rods are cold, man. GTO, another Mustang. How you doing? C10, Shelby. All these cars, man. That's up, man. What's going on? Oh yeah.
Car number
Nice
65, 76, 143, 77.
So back over here.
Repeating, car number
Got some
56,
Corvettes,
119, 65, 76, 143,
Z28
and
Camaro right
77.
here.
I called your number, come on up.
Yeah, nothing like American muscle. Oh yeah. That's like a nice old Chevelle. Shoot. Nice over here, man. Yeah, that's man. Oh yeah. That nice Porsche. Bentley.
Okay. Be careful.
Yeah, okay.
Call them in and let me go.
I want a beer. Where's the beer stand?
These things. They really did some work on these cars, man. Got a Barracuda. Man, I honestly feel like they need to bring the Barracuda back, man. For real though. They need to bring the Barracuda back. Fastback Mustang. Another hot rod. Cadillac XLR. Some Chevy. I like this cover scheme. It's black. It's black and black and orange. This truck, man. I know I had this truck on GTA 5, you did. Nice little Chevelle over here.
Oh, that's
Nice little Thunderbird Mini Cooper.
Well, I mean, it's got a bird.
See? They big Patriots fans over. They big Patriots fans over here. That's the hot ride. Hot ride over here. Yeah, they got some clean cars, man.
Bringing them up to do the big
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't always turn out that way.
That's the Camaro SS. Got an HR. What's that? But y'all know, man. Y'all see the vibes, man. It's nice, look cool. Nice chill, man, where you can just look at all the details of the cars and everything, man. These people be really putting in their work, bro. My favorite car of all time, one of my favorite cars besides the SS, is the 510 Fox body. Mint condition, boy. Mint condition. Ooh-wee. Fairlane. Dodge Magnum. Look at that C10 right here. Man, I like this, man. He put some work into this bad boy. Oh yeah, with that big block right there. Interior looks nice. Ah, man, he did his thing with this one. Oh, he definitely did his thing with this bad boy. He did his thing with this one. Got the Charger. Got another C10 right over there.
Wheels are right up there to the top of the hood almost.
Got this beautiful C10 right here, man. This I like the color on this one, man. Oh yeah, I like the color scheme on this one. 86 Monte Carlo, Bel Air, Cadillac.
Well, you know my big pot always is missing.
Impala. Look at the sideways, man. Okay. Regals.
Have you met us?
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Ooh, that paint job. Down 1-9. I got a whole Chevy SS. This sounds way louder than that. Impala SS. Oh snap, that thing. Man, this thing clean, bruh. Got a big old Dunk, Chevelle. Man, it's so incredible. This commercial, bro. I like this orange.
You mind if I put a little sticker on the headlight?
Yeah, sure. It's what I've been looking for a while.
Sorry, I'm having to do a 4 glasses at once right now.
Oh, really?
Got a C7. Ah, look at this joint right here. In the old days. Chevy handwheels.
Just a chrome. It's not chrome plated. It's chrome.
That thing unique. I like that.
You look good while you're not seeing.
Oh man. Oh yeah, make sure you got it all off. These some nice whips, man. People put their blood, sweat, and tears into this. So, man, I'm not gonna name every car, but I'm just going slow. Let y'all see the whips. Obviously, I can't go into detail out of every one of them. Good to appreciate it.
We did.
Cars. Funny man.
Oh, I like that seat too.
Don't you be trying to give away our car there, Chuck.
Man, that's a lot of C10s out there, bro.
Change the chrome off of that. I put that on. Yeah, well, that's when I say you could actually go to a regular, but it doesn't matter.
A lot of nice whips out here, man. Definitely.
Ford made their own version.
I love this.
Too fresh off.
Oh yeah, man. We'll get these folks a show, man. We're gonna go ahead and give them a pool, man. Nice little pool, man. So right now we're about to leave, and yeah, go ahead and give them a nice little pool, man. Alright, y'all, so I went on and got that pool, man. So like, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy Trill Young Wavy, and I'm out. Deuces!